Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You want tight control right away, so start with proper gain staging. Bring the base to around -6 dB RMS to leave headroom. Once done, insert a compressor. Pick a VCA for precision or optical for smoothness, because type shapes tone. Next, drop the threshold to grab the peaks and try a 3:1 ratio. Set attack around 10 milliseconds and release near 200 milliseconds. These first moves tame dynamics without squashing life out of the low end. Now refine how the compressor reacts. Adjust attack to control punch. Short attacks clamp transients, longer ones let the initial thump through, so choose by feel. Make the release musical by syncing roughly to the track. Quicker releases accentuate rhythm, slower releases smooth sustain notes. Engage a soft knee for subtle leveling. Switch to a harder knee if you need more obvious control. Also try parallel compression by blending a heavily compressed bus with the dry signal to keep dynamics while increasing weight. Finish by matching output level using makeup gain so the bass sits consistently in the mix without masking other elements. Make sure to use a low-frequency sidechain or high-pass filter around 30 to 40 Hz to stop the compressor from overreacting to sub-rumble. If things go wrong, muddy or lifeless bass, try decreasing attack time a bit to let more transient through, or subtract a small notch around 200 to 400 Hz to clear buildup. Trust your ears and tweak in context.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.